If you're a developer, I bet you are using AI coding tools. But most of those tools usually require a subscription. And yeah, you have to pay for them. What if you could run your own AI coding assistant locally for free? In this video, I'll show you how to spin up a local LLM using OpenVINO model server and connect it directly to your VS Code. In the previous video, we exposed our local LLM and made it compatible with the OpenAI API. Now, let's go a step beyond and plug it directly into VS Code. We are working with the same components as before, OpenVINO model server, which bundles the OpenVINO runtime with your model. In this case, we are using QM Free Coder, which is a powerful mixture of experts model with 30 billion parameters and 3 billion active layers, making it both capable and efficient to run locally. The endpoint stays the same. We are now just consuming it from inside the VS Code. So let's get started. First, let's deploy the OpenVINO model server. This time, instead of Docker or Linux, we'll run it using the Windows binaries, just to switch things up a bit and try something different. Of course, you can still use Docker if you prefer. So let's open the terminal. We'll start downloading the OpenVINO model server required files. It could take a few seconds, but remember, this package is essentially the box that contains all the components needed to run the server locally. Next, we'll extract the files and configure the required environment variables to complete the setup. But we now need to also download the model. You can use any OpenVINO compatible model. There are some samples here for you. In this case, I will pick the QM Free Coder. Since it is already optimized, keep in mind that it only needs 12 gigabytes of disk space. All right, let's jump to the terminal. We're going to do everything in a single step. Download the already converted model and immediately start the server. So let's do it. First, we create a folder called models, which is where the model's files will live. Then we run a single command that does all the rest for us. It downloads the already converted int4 OpenVINO version directly from Hugging Face and starts the model server automatically. This command also configures the model for text generation, targets an Intel GPU, enables the required parsers, exposes the API on port 8000, and assigns a model name so we can reference later. The initial download may take a few minutes depending on your connection speed, but once it finishes, you will have the confirmation the service is already running and ready to be used. Great! Let's move to the VS Code and connect everything. To connect our local model, we use an open source extension called Continue. Just search for it and install it. Once installed, we need to point it to our OpenVINO model server. Open the Continue settings, then edit the local assistant configuration to define the model details such as the model name and the endpoint URL. In my case, I will go back to the documentation, look for the QM Free Coder example configuration, and just copy and paste it. And that's it. So let's test it. You can use this coding assistant just as you normally would for chat, autocomplete, or even agentic coding tasks. Chat is simple. We can ask, for example, what is OpenVINO model server, and we will get the answer right in our editor. And for agentic tasks, we first need to switch to agentic mode and create a new session, of course. So let's ask it what models are available in our models folder. And we can see that the agent starts using the tools and accessing our file system directly. We have the confirmation that the model we downloaded earlier is there, which is great news. And the speed is impressive too, especially for a model running entirely in our own hardware. You have got your own fully local coding assistant running right inside VS Code. Use it as much as you want, no limits, no API bills, no surprises at the end of the month, so give it a try. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.